$5 over and over and over again? Really? Yes, this is what I'm gonna show you guys today on how you can make $5 over and over and over again by using this website. Stick with me all the way down to the end because I want you to see all the tricks related with this website. And before we go ahead and start this video, if you haven't already, guys, and it's your first time landing on my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button following the right side of this video and click the notification next to it because I want you to be part of my channel. I learn from you as well. It would be a great honor to click that subscribe button. And if you click the bell notification, you will receive a notification for every single video I release every day just for you for Make Money Online. Simple and free ways, always tested ways to make money online. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. The website I'm going to talk to you about today is called whatusersdo.com. You can get everything from the description below this video. And again, this is another user testing website and really nice one. Available for 99% of the countries I've checked, it's there, and I'm going to show you how you're able to do it from your side when you register. And what I would like you to see, you can take a free trial as well if you want to see it. Our platform helps you understand how your customers engage with your website or product. This is how it looks. Try it yourself, our solutions, customer industries, and so on. Trusted by over 3,000 digital professionals, which is really good. We're talking about a very legit site, so you can go and scroll down and see the business I have been working with, and you have the pleasant pricing. What I want you to do is to scroll all the way down actually, and in order to join the website, I want you to come here where it says on the quick start side, join our panel. Click to it. It will open you a new page. And you go here where it get paid to test websites. You click on the become a tester. Guys, it only takes a few minutes to complete a test, and it takes the payout is $5 per test you complete, and you get paid on the 25th of each month by PayPal. I know you have been requesting me more ways than this one, but most of the websites or companies go with the PayPal because it was the common way, and that's why they add in this one. So with this one, you're gonna get paid on the 25th of each month on your PayPal account. And I want you to be a little bit careful when you do the test. Put your effort in this because if your results are good on the test, they're gonna rank you as a good high tester, and they're gonna give you more tests, exclusively more tests, and more payout. So instead of 5, you can get $6, $7, $10, and so on. Now, as I told you, when you come here, I want you to click on the become a tester, and it's going to bring you on the registration page where it says what you need to test with us: a computer with Windows 7, 8, 10 or later, Apple Macintosh, and so on. Your computer needs to have the following minimum specifications. I think right now, guys, this is the minimum that any computer has, so I think you are covered with this one. Browsers, Internet Explorer 11 or the latest Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Again, if you have a computer, this is what the latest are. High-speed broadband internet. You can get this anywhere from a coffee place if you don't have a internet access to your account, and PayPal account, so we can pay you on your payday. Now, as you can see here, before you get frustrated, it says which country do you live in order to create an account: United States, United Kingdom, Spain, Netherlands, Germany, France, Canada, Australia, and other. That's what we want. So 3 zillion countries are located here, guys. All of the countries of the world are here, so you should be covered. And choose your country from here. Put your email address, your information, click the I'm not a robot, submit, and start making some money with this website. Yeah, so this is what I want to show you guys today. whatusersdo.com. Again, you're able to complete the test and make about $5 per test. Based on the country you are, more tests or less tests are available for you to complete. It's not going to make you rich. It's going to bring you some money in. So if you want to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make steady passive income from the comfort of your house, make sure you click my #1 description located below this video. My best tested #1 way to make money online, guys. So go ahead and click that #1 recommendation, video with proof, free to use, passive money, comes from the comfort of your house every single day in your account. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, the content of this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy your day. Thank you much, guys. Bye bye.